Add a level of security and style to your home with the Kwikset Smart Code Touchpad electronic lever. Its sleek residential design complements any home's interior. Now you can secure your home office, wine cellar, garage and side door entries, or even a utility closet or storage room without ever having to worry about keys. To gain entry, simply enter your personalized access code on the backlit keypad. Smart Code features 4 customized access codes for increased security, and locking is as easy as pushing a button. It's not only easy to operate, it's simple to install as well. No hardwiring is required. The Kwikset Smart Code Touchpad electronic lever fits standard doors. No screw holes are required. All you need is a screwdriver, and in minutes, it's up and running. Powered by 4 AA batteries, Smart Code also features SmartKey rekey technology for the perfect backup keyway system. Increase your home's security with keyless convenience and style with the Kwikset Smart Code Touchpad electronic lever today.